You know, for me, this is a journey of discovery. It's a chance to get to the very source of what great food really means. And for Jack, this is a chance for him to be exposed to the food chain as we know it, to be inspired and really connect with ingredients. You know, seeing that sense of excitement he has with food is a real source of inspiration for me. It's almost sad that as a chef you can become complacent. You pass such incredible ingredients through your hands all day long. But that mix of passionate producers and seeing Jack's hunger for discovery really helps me to reconnect with food. So this is a journey. It's all about Jack, it's about me, and it's about the discovery of food through the eyes of a child. So I'm the cook, and this is my son.